Hey friends, so have you heard about the viral action figure AI trend? So in this video, I will explain how to make the action figure AI trend. So here you can open chatgpt.com and here we can ask anything in the prompt box. But before this, we will upload files from computer from my like this image of mine I will use, and I will upload more files like from my computer, like this and this and this, three images. And make sure, let me show you once the image how I looks here in this image so you can see. It's amazing. Now here we need to ask anything like create a hyper realistic and front facing toy box mockup using the uploaded full body character image on the left side inside clear blister packaging, and the figure must be fully visible from head to toe, and the 3D face should exactly match the uploaded photo. And on the right side, neatly place the uploaded accessories all inside the same box, and show the box standing upright against a wall, front view only, and use a clean background matching the theme. And we will correct the spelling of background matching the theme, and a hanging hook on top, and realistic lighting at the top. Show a logo on the left, and premium action figure product like Omer Butt on the right. Style must look like a premium action figure product. So then you can press enter or click here. So now the ChatGPT, is creating hyper realistic front facing toy box mockup using the uploaded full body character image on the left side inside clear blister packaging. And the figure that must be fully visible from head to toe, and the 3D face should exactly match the uploaded photo. Okay. And on the right, neatly place on the right side. On the right side, neatly place the uploaded accessories all inside the same box. Okay, show the box standing upright against a wall, front view only, use a clean background matching the theme, and a hanging hook on top. And realistic lighting at the top, show a logo on the left, and premium action figure product over, but on the right, style must look like a premium action figure product. Yep, so within few minutes it will be ready. And this is amazing. So action figure of yourself, action figure trend, how to make the action figure AI. People are searching a lot of. So this is the easiest method I explained to you that you can use using ChatGPT to generate, to create viral action figure trend, AI. So let's wait. Let me pause the video. So once it completes, I will resume it. Hey, so I'm back. So you can see it looks amazing. Wow. Viral action figure trend. You can see premium action, no matter, but action figure, and I'm here And you can see along with me on right sides, the accessories that we uploaded. And you can see with me headphones also, and you can see, cap also. It looks amazing. Wow. It's amazing. Awesome. See? So how easily you can make this viral action figure trend we have learned in this video. Share the video with your friends, subscribe to my channel, and press the bell icon so you will get the notifications of my upcoming videos. Thank you so much once again.